Hey, I'm Nick, the Solutions Engineer here at Whereby, and today we're going to be talking through some top tips for telehealth customers. Tip number one is creating your rooms as locked for a waiting room experience for your patients. You'll see when I've got this room set to locked here, it creates a nice pre-call review where you can your users can adjust their devices as well as knock to gain entry. I have a custom waiting room background here, but you can also turn that background off entirely if you want to show website's branding. Tip number two is knocking and hold messages. There's no passwords or some sort of time restraint for your users to be able to join their rooms. They would knock at the door similar to a real life office experience. You'll see it here, I can knock. And then on the clinician side, I even have the option to put them on hold and send them a brief message. Tip number three is our meeting timer. Meeting timer can be a great way to set expectations with patients and just staying on the same page from a time management perspective to make sure you're keeping things running on schedule. Tip number four is creating a simplified user experience by customizing the interface to your liking. You'll see here we have quite a few buttons and toggles out of the box, but if I come up to the URL and add one parameter, minimal equals on, and I rejoin this room, you'll see it simplifies things quite a bit by removing some of those toggles. So there's lots of options that you can add, you can turn on or turn off in order to have the experience that you'd like for your patients. And tip number five is our HIPAA compliance setup. This actually just uses out-of-the-box features that are already available within Whereby, but using the correct recipe of those features, you can create rooms that are completely HIPAA approved. We do ask that you sign a business associate agreement with us, and this is at no additional cost to our customers that are on an annual plan with us. So please reach out to your Whereby contact, whether that be support or one of our customer success managers, and we can get the process started and make sure you feel confident in implementing these rooms. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful for you. We're so proud to be able to serve the telehealth community and help bringing better video experiences across the globe. If you have any questions or would like to kind of better understand what we can do for you and your patients, please reach out and let us know. Take care.